Hello, welcome to the series of tutorial for Java programming. I am Ankur Kamboj and I am telling about the Java programming language. This video tutorial will help you start learning quickly and easily. Firstly, you should have knowledge about language fundamentals, so I describe it in detail. There are few topics about to discuss. In this, firstly comes identifier, then reserved words, after that data types, then literals, arrays, types of variables, where args method, main methods, command line arguments, Java coding standards. These all are basic concepts for language fundamentals in Java. So first one is identifier. What is an identifier? Identifier which can be used for identification purpose. It can be a class name, a method name, a variable name, or a label name. I am repeating it again. What is an identifier? Identifier can be a class name, a method name, a variable name, or a label name. I will explain it through an example. Like here we have a class name first. I am expanding the code here. Public static void main string args int sum is equal to 25, variable initialization and declaration. So can you tell me how many identifiers belong to this example? I told you that identifier can be a class name, a method name, or a variable name. Here first is a class name, main is a method name, string is a predefined Java class name, args is a name of arrays, sum which is a name of variable. So here total 5 identifiers exist in this example. Now comes to the point. You know that a name in Java program is called identifier. Now I am telling you that there are compulsory rule and regulation to set identifier. I am typing here first one rule. All identifier. First one rule is all identifier should begin with a letter, whether it is capital or small, a currency character or underscore. I am writing here all identifier should begin with a letter. I am repeating that whether it is capital or small, currency character is a dollar symbol or underscore character, which is this. So first one rule is all identifier should begin with a letter, currency character or underscore character. Second one rule is after the first character, identifiers can have any combination of characters. After the first character, what is the first character? Which belongs to the letter, currency character or underscore character. So after the first character, identifiers can have any combination of characters. Then third one rule is a keyword cannot be used as an identifier. A keyword cannot be used as an identifier. So I wrote some set of rules for identifier here. Now I am giving you some example of valid identifiers. So valid identifiers are like name, dollar symbol, amount, comma, underscore value, comma, father's name. All are valid identifiers. Here father's name is a camel casing identifier here. We will discuss it in later video tutorial in the naming convention. Then I am telling you one more thing, that the only allowed characters in Java identifiers are A to Z, 0 to 9, dollar symbol or underscore symbol. If you are using any other character, we will get compile time error. So here some invalid identifiers. Example of some invalid identifiers are 123 age, comma, total, hash. Here 123 age. 123 age is an invalid identifier because all identifiers should begin with a letter, currency character or underscore. Letter, currency character or underscore, while here we have begin it with digit. And why it is invalid identifier? It is invalid identifier because of this. I told you that if you are using any other character except A to Z, 0 to 9, dollar or underscore, we will get compile time error. So it's a invalid identifier character. We can check it through the example. Here I am getting int 123 age is equal to 45. Oops, it's a syntax error, right? I told you that 123 is invalid because of first one character should be character, underscore or dollar symbol, while here is digit. So I skip this. Then comes to the second one invalid identifier, which was total hash. I think it was total hash. Yes, total hash is equal to 400. It's also invalid. Syntax error given here. One more point come to the Java identifier, that Java identifiers are case sensitive, and Java language itself is treated as case sensitive programming language. So we can check it also through an example. Int age is equal to 45, int age is equal to 50, int age is equal to 100. All are having different values in age identifier, but all are differ identifier because Java identifiers are case sensitive. So age, where we have all small characters. Second one identifier also age, but the first one character is in capital, and third one identifier also age and all characters belong to capital letters. So all can have different value in its. Have you any idea that how many length you can take in Java identifier? Actually, there are no length limit for Java identifier. You can use any number of character in identifier like 100 or more character. Even though you can take any number of character, but it's not recommended to take too lengthy identifiers. One more important thing in identifier that we can't use reserve words or keywords as identifier. Like if we take int if is equal to 50, then we get syntax error because if is an keyword here. So we should avoid this type of identifiers. I want to give you one more example here. Int string is equal to 100, system uh, slow process system dot out dot println string. What should happen here? All predefined Java class name or interface name we can use as identifiers even though it is valid, but it is not a good programming practice because it reduces readability and creates confusion. Here all are about identifiers. In our next tutorial I will explain about reserved words. Thanks to all. Have a nice day.